Welcome to my channel, curated media. It'd be a long waiting to explain myself. A lot of people text me, don't leave YouTube, and for Rumble, and appreciate it who text me in my inbox. What I want to say is that I show you my studio setup, and you're gonna be drawing. I'm gonna do Blender. I'm gonna do show you CapCut. I'm gonna show behind the scene too. A lot of things that I'm working on. Because I have two jobs, so I'm trying to work it out to find time to make content. And I gotta figure it out. Because I want it, so I have to make sure that everything has been. Although I'll be on Monday, so I just gonna show you a small video I'm working on. So in my studio. So it's gonna be take time, step by step, doing my content because I have two jobs. It's gonna be a pain, but I gotta keep on working until I find time, work it out and see what happens. Because I'm gonna show you more drawing, detail about drawing, and talk about the face. It's about the face of drawing I'm gonna do, and step by step I'll show you guys. And use Blender too, so I gotta be on it like crazy and figure out the job, and because I was so tired last 2 weeks, tired working hard. So thank you for watching, like and share, and comment.